This is a strong headline for a case study or business analysis, but to give you a meaningful answer, I need more context. However, based on common business patterns, here are the most frequent reasons a company starts losing customers and how to diagnose which one applies. Top 5 reasons companies lose customers. 1. Declining product/service quality. Cost cutting leads to worse materials, fewer features, or buggy software. Slower customer support, long wait times, unhelpful answers. Example, a meal kit company switching to cheaper ingredients without lowering prices. 2. Price increases without added value. Customers will pay more if they see clear improvements. If not, they leave. Hidden fees, shipping, subscription hikes, convenience charges. Example, streaming service raising fees 20% while adding few new shows. 3. Poor customer experience. Complicated returns, hard to cancel subscriptions, or rude support. Ignoring feedback, like requested features never appear. Example, an online retailer making returns require a phone call instead of a free printable label. 4. Competitive disruption. A rival offers better features, lower price, or more convenience. Example, a taxi company losing riders to Uber or Lyft's app-based pickup and upfront pricing. 5. Trust or reputation damage. Data breaches, misleading ads, political stances that alienate core buyers. Example, a bank charging hidden overdraft fees after promising no surprises. How to diagnose the real issue. Symptom. Customers complain on social media about the old days. Likely root cause, quality decline. Churn spiked after a price change announcement. Price-value mismatch. Support tickets double but sales don't. Poor CX. New competitor launched 6 months ago. Competitive disruption. Negative press or scandal appears in search results. Trust damage. If you want a specific answer, please provide company name or industry, what type of product service, B2B, subscription, retail, etc. Any data you have, like churn up 15% in Q3 or reviews mention X. With that, I can give a targeted diagnosis and actionable fixes. Otherwise, the most common culprit is a slow decline in quality plus ignoring customer feedback, while a competitor seizes the opportunity.